Hi, and welcome to this channel. Here I teach science and scientific communication. By science, I mean physics, physical chemistry, and maths. And by scientific communication, I mean how to communicate effectively, clearly as a scientist, either verbally or in written form. I also help candidates struggling to secure scholarships either locally in their home countries or internationally abroad succeed without difficulties. To help with scholarship application, I have created a course. The link to the course is in the video description. How to make a strong and competitive postgraduate scholarship application. I encourage you to take it. It has everything you need to do and understand to secure a scholarship either locally or internationally. I'm Dr. Andrew Terhemen Tyowua, and if you want to reach out to me, you can do so using the email address displayed here on the screen. Today's video is on scholarship application, and I'd like to address managing deadlines for multiple scholarship applications. That is, if you've identified multiple scholarships and their deadlines are close, one deadline follows the other, how are you going to manage the deadlines? Applying for scholarship is a time-consuming process, not to think of a situation whereby a candidate has multiple applications and the deadlines are all approaching. How should they manage the deadlines? To achieve that, they need an effective strategy to manage the deadlines. And that's what I'm going to dwell on in the rest of this video. I'd like to give a couple of suggestions. The first is use Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or other organization tools to track the deadlines. After you've done that, arrange the deadlines in order of their earliness. That is, the application whose deadline comes earlier should come first, followed by the next, and then the subsequent one. For example, if the deadline of one of the scholarships occurs in, say, June, the other one in August, the other one in September, you should have the one in June first, followed by the one in August, and then followed by the one in September. After you've done this, set your own deadline. That is, for each of the deadlines, set your own deadline at least 2 weeks before the actual deadline allotted by the funders. I have talked about this in a previous video. I'm going to leave it somewhere for you to check. Everything I'm going to talk about for a single scholarship is covered in that video. Time management and management of deadlines, how to prioritize and do other things. Combine this video with that one is really going to help you. Set your own deadlines 2 weeks before the actual deadlines from the funders, and make out time to make your application. And here is the most important bit. Don't multitask. And by multitasking, I mean trying to apply to the scholarships all at the same time. This is where people get it wrong. It's difficult to focus when you are trying to multitask. Our brains haven't developed to the point of achieving high results via multitasking. Our brains are wired in a way that we need to focus on a task, giving our best to get the maximum result. So don't multitask. Complete the applications in the order of their earliness of deadlines. Submit an application before moving to the next one. So here are my strategies or suggestions for managing multiple deadlines for a scholarship application. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I encourage you to do so. If you have subscribed, thank you. I also encourage you to share this video with other candidates who are applying to scholarships. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know your experience with scholarship application. And I wish you good luck with your scholarship application. Additionally, if you want to get updates about scholarships sent directly to your email, there is a link in the video description. Fill in your details, your name and email address, so that when I send out scholarship opportunities to candidates who have subscribed to that list, you will also be notified via email. And bye now.